You found a MUI file in your system folders. Don't delete it. It stands for Multilingual User Interface. It allows Windows to show menus in different languages. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain how it works. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your MUI file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. The MUI file utilizes the standard naming convention for the system file designation. The fundamental schema is derived from the Myriad User Instrument File structure. The MUI file type stands for Multilingual User Interface File. Used by Microsoft Windows, it stores language-specific resources, text strings, menus, dialogs, that allow the operating system or an application to display its user interface in multiple languages without modifying the core code. Created by Microsoft. The design rules dictate a proprietary binary format for storing locale-specific resource data, which the operating system loads dynamically based on the user's selected system language. For comprehensive file management, MUI relies on Myriad Harmony Assistant developed by Myriad Software. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read natively. Windows treats them as protected files, so changes should be avoided. We're performing an initial software compatibility check. Right-click your MUI file and choose Open With. Test Myriad Harmony Assistant first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often yields a quick solution. If your MUI file still refuses to open, stay calm. Because the MUI format is often tied to niche applications, we must check the foundation. Let's go through our quick verification list now. First, recognize the file type. Understand that MUI files are language resource files used by Windows, Microsoft Office, and cannot be opened manually by the user. Next, run system scans. If you encounter errors related to a missing or corrupted MUI file, run System File Checker, SFC Scanno, to replace damaged Windows components. Finally, check Language Pack. Check Control Panel. Language to ensure the necessary language pack for the associated program, e.g. Office, is correctly installed. When all local options fail, we can skip further guesswork and go straight to the proven solution. The fix is the Universal File Viewer, the specialized tool to try for cases like this. When your MUI file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Have a great week ahead. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.